You have been lied to. For the last decade, the firearms industry has drowned you in polymer, striker-fired propaganda, telling you that revolvers are obsolete, outdated, and outgunned. But here is what they are not telling you. Right now, in 2026, there's a generation of snub-nose revolvers so refined, so mechanically precise, and so devastatingly effective at close range that experienced shooters are quietly dropping their Glocks and picking these up instead. No magazine to sit on, no slide to rack, no failure to feed. Just point, pull, and the job is done. Today we are ranking 8 of the best snub-nose revolvers available right now, covering every price point from budget to premium, every caliber from 38 special to 44 special, and every use case from pocket carry to bedside defense. Every single entry on this list is verified in current production for 2026, with real specs and honest limitations. If you have ever doubted whether a revolver belongs in your carry rotation, this video is about to change your mind completely. Number 8. Taurus Bulldog. Best for shooters who want maximum stopping power in a true pocket-sized package. Most snub-nose revolvers are chambered in 38 Special or 357 Magnum. The Taurus Bulldog does something entirely different. It fires the 44 Special, a cartridge that delivers a wide, heavy bullet at moderate velocity and produces genuinely impressive terminal performance without the brutal recoil of a 44 Magnum. At just 21 ounces and 2.5 inches of barrel, it packs that 44 Special punch into a frame small enough for a jacket pocket or ankle holster. The stainless steel construction keeps corrosion completely off the table for daily carry, and the rubber finger-grooved grips absorb enough recoil to make range sessions manageable rather than punishing. This is the revolver that solves the caliber problem for anyone who feels 38 Special is simply not enough. Limitation: the 5-round capacity and more limited aftermarket holster selection compared to mainstream brands are real trade-offs to consider before purchasing. Specs: 44 Special 5-round capacity, 2.5-inch barrel, 21 ounces, $419 to $469 price. Verdict: the only true pocket revolver chambered in 44 Special and the most uniquely powerful snub nose on this entire list. Number 7. Taurus 856 Executive Grade. Best for budget-conscious buyers who refuse to compromise on finish quality or trigger feel. The standard Taurus 856 is already a well-regarded budget snub nose, but the Executive Grade takes that platform and applies genuine hand-fitting, polishing, and quality control upgrades that close the gap on revolvers costing twice as much. The trigger on the Executive Grade breaks far more cleanly than the base 856. The action is smoother out of the box, and the aesthetic quality with its polished satin, stainless finish, and genuine Altamont walnut checkered wood grips is genuinely impressive for the price. It holds 6 rounds of 38 Special plus P, which gives it a 1-round capacity advantage over most J-frame competitors. The 3-inch full underlug barrel adds meaningful velocity to every round, while keeping the package concealable. Limitation: while the Executive Grade finish is a significant step up, long-term durability under high round count testing still trails premium American-made options at this price point. Specs: 38 Special plus P, 6-round capacity, 3-inch barrel, 25 ounces, $349 to $429 price. Verdict: the best finished budget snub nose on the market today. 6 rounds for the price of 5. Number 6. Ruger LCR357 Magnum. Best for lightweight concealed carry with maximum caliber versatility. The Ruger LCR is one of the most mechanically innovative revolvers of the modern era, and the 357 Magnum version is the standout performer of the entire LCR family. The fire control housing is made from glass-filled polymer, which drops the weight to just 17.1 ounces, while keeping the cylinder and barrel in stainless steel where it matters most. The monolithic frame design eliminates the side plate found on traditional revolvers, making this one of the strongest compact frames ever built relative to its weight. The patented friction-reducing com inside the trigger mechanism produces a smooth, stacking-free double-action pull that is genuinely among the best in the snub nose category at any price. And because it chambers .357 Magnum, it also accepts 38 Special and 38 Special plus P, giving you 3 levels of defensive ammunition in a single platform. Limitation: at 17.1 ounces, full .357 Magnum loads produce sharp, snappy recoil that demands consistent practice to manage effectively under stress. Specs: .357 Magnum or 38 Special plus P, 5-round capacity, 1.87-inch barrel, 17.1 ounces, $629 to $679 price. Verdict: the lightest .357 Magnum snub nose on the market, with the smoothest factory trigger in its class. Number 5. Colt King Cobra Carry. Best for shooters who want proven Colt craftsmanship and a dedicated carry-focused snub nose. Colt re-entered the revolver market with serious intent, and the King Cobra Carry is the proof. Built on Colt's medium frame with a 2-inch stainless steel barrel, the King Cobra Carry holds 6 rounds of .357 Magnum in a frame that remains slim enough for inside the waistband carry without a printing problem. The double action and single action trigger is factory smooth with a consistent, predictable pull, and the linear leaf spring action is simpler and more reliable than the traditional coil spring designs used by competitors. The stainless steel construction throughout means corrosion is genuinely not a concern for daily carry in any climate. The Hogue rubber over-molded grips manage .357 Magnum recoil better than exposed wood grips found on many comparable revolvers. Limitation: at $867 to $999, it commands a premium that some shooters will feel is steep for a carry revolver, and aftermarket holster availability is narrower than for mainstream platforms. Specs: .357 Magnum or 38 Special plus P, 6-round capacity, 2-inch barrel, 26 ounces, $867 to $999 price. Verdict: Colt's finest modern carry revolver, 6 rounds of .357 Magnum in a premium stainless package built to last a lifetime. Number 4. Smith & Wesson 642. Ultimate Carry, best for deep concealment carry with a proven, refined J-frame platform. The Smith & Wesson 642 has been the gold standard of snub nose carry revolvers for decades, and the Ultimate Carry variant improves on that already exceptional formula. The Lipsy's exclusive Ultimate Carry version ships with an upgraded endurance package for enhanced durability, improved tritium night sights for low-light defensive situations, and a trigger that breaks at approximately 9.5 pounds with significantly less grit than the standard 642. The aluminum alloy frame keeps weight at just 14.4 ounces, making it genuinely disappear in a front pocket or an appendix holster. The shrouded internal hammer means there is absolutely nothing to snag on a garment during a defensive draw, making this one of the fastest deploying carry revolvers ever made. Limitation: the 5-round capacity and lightweight mean that 38 Special plus P recoil is sharp, and deliberate grip management is required for accurate follow-up shots. Specs: 38 Special plus P, 5-round capacity, 1.88-inch barrel, 14.4 ounces, $599 to $699 price. Verdict: the definitive deep concealment snub nose, lighter and faster to deploy than anything else on this list. Number 3. Ruger LCRx 3-inch. Best for shooters who want snub nose concealability with improved accuracy and an exposed hammer option. The Ruger LCRx is the external hammer version of the legendary LCR, and the 3-inch barrel variant is one of the most underrated carry revolvers currently in production. The extra inch of barrel over the standard LCRx adds meaningful velocity to every defensive round, improves the sight radius for more accurate shooting at distance, and extends the frame length just enough to provide a full 3-finger grip for better recoil management. The exposed hammer means this platform is capable of precise single-action shooting for longer-range situations where trigger control matters, a capability the double-action only 6.42 and standard LCR simply do not offer. The adjustable rear sight is a genuine advantage over fixed-sight competitors in this category. The polymer fire control housing keeps weight at a remarkably light 15.7 ounces, and the Hogue to Mare grip does an excellent job absorbing felt recoil during rapid fire. Limitation: the exposed hammer adds a small but real snagging risk compared to shrouded or internal hammer designs during a concealed draw. Specs: 38 Special Plus P, 5-round capacity, 3-inch barrel, 15.7 ounces, $729 to $759 price. Verdict: the most versatile LCR variant, combining lightweight carry with single-action capability, an adjustable rear sight, and a longer sight radius. Number 2. Taurus 605 T.O.R.O. Best for shooters who want an optics-ready snub-nose revolver with full 357 Magnum power. The Taurus 605 T.O.R.O. stands for Taurus Optic Ready Option, and it is genuinely one of the most forward-thinking snub-nose revolvers available in 2026. This is one of the only production snub-nose revolvers in the world that ships with a factory-milled optics cut ready for a compact red dot sight, an innovation that fundamentally changes how accurately most shooters can deploy a short-barreled revolver under stress. The 5-round cylinder chamber's full 357 Magnum loads, the all-stainless steel frame and cylinder provide excellent corrosion resistance, and the 3-inch barrel delivers maximum velocity from every defensive round in the cylinder. Pairing a micro red dot with this platform removes the biggest accuracy limitation of the traditional snub nose and turns a 15-yard gun into a credible 25-yard defensive platform. Limitation: the optics-ready top plate adds height to the profile, making holster selection slightly more involved than with the standard 605. Specs: 357 Magnum or 38 Special Plus P, 5-round capacity, 3-inch barrel, 23.5 ounces, $499 to $549 price. Verdict: the most innovative snub nose on this entire list. The world's most accessible optics-ready 357 Magnum carry revolver. Number 1. Kimber K6s DASA. Best for shooters who demand premium trigger quality, a 6-round cylinder, and a compact 357 Magnum platform built to custom shop standards. The Kimber K6s DASA is, without argument, the finest production snub-nose revolver made in America today. Kimber achieved something remarkable with this design. They fit 6 rounds of 357 Magnum into a cylinder smaller than most 5-shot competitors manage. The double-action and single-action trigger system is exceptional in both modes, with a double-action pull that is smooth and linear, and a single-action brake that is crisp, clean, and genuinely competition-worthy straight from the factory. The stainless steel frame is hand-finished with tolerances that rival dedicated custom shop revolvers. At 23 ounces, it is heavier than the ultralight options on this list, but that weight pays real dividends in felt recoil management with full Magnum loads. The 2-inch barrel keeps it firmly in snub-nose territory, while the 6-round capacity closes the gap on semi-automatic competitors that have long held the numbers advantage over wheelguns. Limitation: at $1,005 to $1,099. This is a premium investment that will price out budget-minded buyers who will find excellent value lower on this list. Specs: 357 Magnum or 38 Special Plus P, 6-round capacity, 2-inch barrel, 23 ounces, $1,005 to $1,099 price. Verdict: the finest production snub-nose revolver in America today. 6 rounds of 357 Magnum in a hand-finished premium package that nothing else on this list can match. There you have it. 8 snub-nose revolvers in 2026 that prove the wheelgun is not just alive, it is thriving. The truth is that your Glock is a great pistol, but it cannot do everything. It cannot fit in a front pocket at 14.4 ounces. It cannot fire reliably from inside a jacket with a closed cylinder. And it cannot deliver a 44 special round from a platform small enough to disappear on your ankle. These revolvers can. So here's your challenge for the comments section. Tell us right now, are you a revolver carrier or a semi-auto carrier? And what would it actually take to make you switch? We want the honest answer. Drop it below. If this video opened your eyes to a platform you had written off, hit that like button, share it with one shooter who thinks revolvers are dead, and subscribe because we cover the firearms that actually deserve your attention every single week. We will see you in the next one.